How to add the magnifier widget to the home screen on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, touch and hold on a blank spot. After that, tap on the widgets button at the bottom. Then we scroll down. And here, tap on magnifier. Now drag the magnifier widget and drop it onto your home screen and let go. Now to use the magnifier, you can just tap on it and then tap on while using the app. Here, now the magnifier is ready for you to use. You can zoom on it. So we can zoom on this part here. You can see there are pins inside. You can capture. So we can even zoom right in. So after taking the pictures, you can also zoom in as well. And after, you can also apply filter. You can turn on the touch to make it brighter. So we can zoom right in, as you can see. So here we can inspect the pins. If your charger is not working correctly, you can inspect the pin to make sure it's nice and clean. You can save the pictures into your gallery. You can also apply a filter. So there are different filters that you can apply. You can also change the contrast and the brightness as well. Here, I'll go back out and zoom out. And then we'll apply a filter. And tap on the shoot button and then save it to the gallery. And here we go to our gallery. You can see the picture has been saved with that particular filter. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.